Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson from Automotive. Today I have a 2016 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel clean Carfax. I'm gonna walk you around this truck and show you some features on it real fast. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. Rims are in excellent shape. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well too. We've also completed an inspection on this vehicle and we're also gonna put a warranty on it as well too. I did mention earlier it's an Eco. Now the mirrors on these Dodges, you can fold them up if you need, if you're towing something there. This truck is super clean inside and out. No rips or tears or stains in these seats. No cracks or fading in the dash. Carpet's very clean as well too. I walked around the truck earlier. I couldn't find any visible signs of any rust. Couldn't find any major dings, dents, or scratches. Now this is a full crew cab, so you're gonna have the most room back here that you can get in a truck. Again, no rips or tears back here. And you kind of have these nice all-weather floor mats here that Ram provides, really nice in the winter time. Again, no signs of rust starting on the bottom of the doors. Another shot of your rims and tires. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit. This truck is going to be equipped with a backup camera, a tow package, and you also have the parking sensors there as well. You have the nice spray and bed liner. A shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in these seats back here. Guys, if you have any questions on this 2016 Ram 1500 Eco Diesel, please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. I'll be more than happy to take another video for you, more photos. Just let me know how I can help you out there. All right, let's hop in the driver's seat and look around a little more. Of course, you do have power windows, power locks. You're gonna have automatic lights on this vehicle as well. Show the bottom of the doors and the rockers. Power driver's seat. No rips or tears in the seats either. Now this truck is equipped with a remote start. You're also going to have the built-in brake controller as well. Got the nice big touchscreen. You're going to have heated seats, heated steering wheel. You're also going to have a backup camera as well. Of course, you will have Bluetooth, so you'll be able to sync up your phone, make all your telephone calls, all that good stuff there. There's no cracks or chipping in the windshield. There's no check engine light on, TPMS light, everything is good to go. Like I said, we have completed an inspection on this vehicle, and we're also going to put a warranty on it as well too. If you have any questions on this truck, please feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Thank you.